So that brings us to the end of this Red Fox IELTS beginner course, all 20 lessons completed. I hope you've learned a lot and that you've enjoyed it. It's certainly been a pleasure to put it all together for you and to have Mary with me as my student for this course. So Mary, did you like the course?
Yes, of course.
Oh, good. So tell me what was good about it for you?
Well, I've learned a lot about how to write good essays and how to answer the reading questions and what to say for the speaking.
Okay.
The main thing is that it is clearly explained. So
Okay.
I found it so easy for me.
Okay, thanks Mary, that's great to know. So are you ready to do the next course now?
Absolutely.
Excellent. So we have 2 more courses in the series. The next one is for an intermediate level, which is designed to get you to a band 6.5, and which is the score that most people need. If you want to go on from there, we have an advanced course for students that want to just press themselves and get to your 7.5, and we'll get you there. Don't you worry about that. Okay, that brings us to the end. Nothing else to say. Bye for now.
Bye-bye.
Bye.